Hello everyone. So this is 11 o'clock and I was out for the day, so that is why I could not update the video. Nowadays, the premiums are getting so low and the moves so big that it's very difficult to make money nowadays. All right. So even like for the previous 3 days, you would be seeing like profits are even less than 1% and losses are also at 1%. So what happened with the market today? Let's go to the open and then we'll find out. So Bank Nifty it fell 0.4% and then went up 0.5%, then it came down all the way and then it again went up 0.7% and then closed. All right. Uh, so the problem which happened with the with my trades are like that there was no one-sided move from here. Okay, and then it hit the stop loss of calls. Sorry, the calls which were, the put stop losses were taken here somewhere, but again a reversal took place. All right, so I was not delta anymore, so I was delta neutral, or I was aiming to capture theta. So till this candle, it was very good, but by the time this rally came, right, uh, I was completely taken back. Okay, and then it fell down here. By the time it fell down, I already had a call stop loss taken here. So call stop loss taken here means this candle would have given me profit, but no, I also had some other theta strategies entering at this place. Okay, and then this final move was the final nail in the coffin. So I closed the day. Let me open the Nifty chart and show you. It's almost the same story with Nifty, but it was like a little subdued. It's 0.36 and then it closed 0.25 on the up. So I ended the day with again minus 0.05%, and yeah, I mean I'm still hoping for a proper bull market to come and then a one-sided move throughout the day, so that I can actually make some money again, or a proper sideways market, something like this, or like a proper dull sideways market, so that my delta, if it doesn't work, then the theta strategies should work. But in these markets, what's happening is like delta is also taken out. Delta here was taken out, and then here the other side stop loss was taken out. Yep, I'm hoping for a good expiry tomorrow. But given my track record of all the expiries, just be ready to see at least either plus 20,000 or minus 20,000 tomorrow. It can also be like the plus 1,000, just like the previous Finnifty expiry yesterday. So that's it for today. Let me see you all tomorrow. So till then, take care. Bye bye.